We'll guide you through how to use CodePen for React projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the CodePen website on your desktop. Once there, log in or create an account if you don't have one yet. After logging in, click on the Create button in the top navigation bar and choose New Pen. This will open up the CodePen editor. Now, to set up React, go to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the JavaScript section. In the pop-up, switch to the JavaScript tab, and under the JavaScript preprocessor, select Babel. This allows you to write JSX syntax, which React uses. Next, scroll down to the Add External Scripts/Pens section. Here, you need to add React and React DOMA. To do this, paste the latest CDN links for React and React DOMA. You can find these links on the official React website or CDN services like UnPkey. Once you've added these, click Save and Close to return to the editor. Now, in the JavaScript panel, you can start writing your React code. Begin by creating a component using function or class syntax. For instance, you can write a simple component like function app return hello CodePen and then render it using React DOMA.render less than app/greater than document.getElement by idroot. Make sure to have a div with the idroot in your HTML panel, as this is where your React component will be mounted. You can now see your React code running in the preview panel. Adjust your CSS and HTML as needed to style and structure your project. With these steps, you're all set to start building React projects on CodePen easily. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.